Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change fonts for your text in Duda website editor. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on design. When you're gonna be in design, you can just choose the global text here and you can change like text for everything, right? So you can see here the paragraph example font here. Then you get like also right here choosing font everything. Then you get like text here, and you can see like you can change the font for actually this one here or for everything, right? So that's pretty much it. And it's like really simple how you can change fonts in Duda site editor. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.